Yeah, Donatello. I've been rocking black jeans, mismatched socks, stripes around my hoodie and the carrots on the watch. Little shorty in me up, saying that you trying to talk. I don't want a conversation, all I really want is knots. Pumas on the feet, all green like the crop. Diving tokens where gelato got me filling out the box. 18, jugging with the homies, fucking thoughts. Moving packs like clockwork, screaming fuck a cop. I don't really give a fuck what a bitch say. Working till my wrist pays, step inside my dojo when I show you I'm the sensei. Insane, I've been great, this ain't new. Knock the pussy out the park just like I'm Babe Ruth. About to say fuck all my teachers cause I hate school. Say they been calling me different, I've been the same dude. Nah, I come in and I body beat something thing blue. And I ain't even sweating cause this ain't even my debut. At the top, I'm still giving out toe tags. You rappers hella goofy and you still like you know rap. You talk about the change, but the flow in your notepad is making me sick. You should give it your flows back, I'm sleep. Fucking deceased, laughing so hard got me weak in the knees. Bitch, I'm a beast, that's a word on the street. They don't fuck with the kid, they get sucked on my meat. Donatello said that shit till I'm 6 feet deep. Thornboard's a rookie and I'm coming with the heat. I'm put a wax in the woods and mixing acid with the dream. My homie said on me, I'll make it, gotta take it with the knees. Motherfucker, I'm a deity, these people at my feet. And I know these rats mad cause the young getting cheese. So I blood up in my veins and my heart filled with greed. Bitch, I'm with the Lions and we the ones on the scene. You don't want no smoke, we gon' blazing and reek. Bet you take a rapper head off any day of the week. Take a walk up in their room, send me praise and they preach rap shit. Fuck around and then it made me a beast. That's saying the least of it. Plead the fifth, you rappers all weak as shit. Need the grip, belt 2 jeans and 6. I'm leaving Chris, you talk this way you need a grip. Bitch, we making classics. They not familiar, they looking, they squint like they needing glasses. Roll with a bad bitch and you know all my gang with me. And we moving the dope out the plastic. Shit it just happens, checking my fashion. Dripping in Nike, my bitch even mad. And get in the game and they know I'm a savage. Say it again, bitch, we making these classics.
Let's fly to a place we never been to. I've dealt with a lot of things you ain't been through. Hard on my sleeve, so you know a nigga been used. Keep you on my side, cause you know the shit I'm into. I'm sentimental, I just crashed your whip, it was a rental. I'm mental, rate your girl a 2 just like the pencil. I was patient, now the crib looking like a temple. I hit Johnny Dane to put the diamonds in my dental. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I used to call you mine, now you a hold of me. I used to waste my time, you had control of me. Never let a bitch get a hold of me, no, no.
Let's play a game where we both play pretend that we both really care, then you ghost me again. I know you're not the baddest, but I still want you back in my life, don't know why.
Sometimes I cannot cry.
Take drugs trying to fall asleep, I feel like demons follow me. Unless you my mama, I don't owe you no apology.
And it feels nice till I wanna explode. Running through the guap, yeah, doing since the get-go. Let's fly to a place we never been to. I've dealt with a lot of things you ain't been through. Hard on my sleeve, so you know a nigga been used. Keep you on my side, cause you know the shit I'm into. I'm sentimental, I just crashed your whip, it was a rental. I'm mental, rate your girl a 2 just like the pencil. I was patient, now the crib looking like a temple. I hit Johnny Dane to put the diamonds in my dental. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I used to call you mine, now you a hold of me. I used to waste my time, you had control of me. Never let a bitch get a hold of me, no, no.
Bad bitches wanna fuck with niggas like us, yeah.
Fly rich, handsome, ballin' up like you don't win.
Everybody wanna fuck with niggas like us, yeah. Life got a little easy, now I'm up, yeah.
Back on the wall,
Everybody made me nervous.
took a risk with a bitch, but it wasn't really worth it. I don't mess with shawties that see me as imperfect, I'm perfect.
Yeah.
Let's fly to a place we never been.